We were paint on our jeans, rain in July, scribbling dreams on the dashboard sky. Every secret felt like proof we live forever, trading curfews for the songs we'd write together. We burned our names in borrowed time, swore the stars were ours to climb. But I learned that even gold can rust and youth can turn to dust. Oh, the things I love too much, the chaos, the hush, the rush, the touch. Every fight, every spark, every broken crutch was part of the art in the things I love too much. You with your canvas, me with my chords. We chased the truth like we could